Okay, here we've got problem 11, and we're asked to rank the following substances in order of their expected SN1 reactivity. Now, you need to remember that when you have an SN1 reaction, you form a carbocation, and only alkyl halides can react. You have special ones that are called allylic and benzylic, but certainly not any vinyl or aromatic halides. Okay, so it has to be on an sp3 hybridized carbon. Now, here's the trend from the textbook. You can see how the tertiary is better than the secondary, and that's about as good as these resonance stabilized ones. Okay, and those are better than primary and methyl. You almost never form primary or methyl carbocations unless you're doing some high energy stuff. So let's go ahead and look at these. This guy here is attached to one carbon, so that's primary. This one here looks to be secondary, but it's next to an alkene, so we call that allylic, which is about as good as a secondary. And this one right here is vinyl. That's an sp2 hybridized carbon, and that's attached to the bromine, so that is definitely unreactive, 100% unreactive. Okay, so we're going to call that least reactive. This one here on the right, if you look at the carbon, it has 1, 2 things attached to it, so that's going to be secondary. Okay, so let's write down the answers down on the bottom here. We have the primary guy here. Well, let's do it from best to worst. So we have the secondary, which is going to be about as reactive as the allylic. That should be a hydrogen, right? Hydrogen CH3. And that is going to be better than a primary, much better than a primary. Okay, and the vinyls do not do any reactions, so I would say greater than vinyl. Okay, so that's your trend there for problem 11. Thanks for watching.